Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of cookware with a spotlight on the best Paula Deen Cookware Aqua set available. Let's get started. This Paula Deen signature porcelain 12-piece cookware set in aqua is a kitchen essential for any cooking enthusiast. With its vibrant color and comprehensive selection of pots, pans, and utensils, this set is designed to elevate your culinary experience. Now, let's talk about what sets this cookware set apart. First off, it includes a 1-quart covered saucepan, 2-quart covered saucepan, 2-3/4 quart covered sauté pan, 6-quart covered stock pot, 8-inch skillet, and a 10-inch skillet. Plus, it comes with a slotted turner and slotted spoon, giving you everything you need to whip up a variety of delicious dishes. One of the standout features of this set is its construction. Made from durable aluminum, this cookware heats up quickly and evenly, ensuring that your food cooks to perfection every time. The colorful speckled porcelain enamel exterior not only adds a pop of style to your kitchen but also makes the cookware easy to clean and maintain. Convenience is key when it comes to kitchen tools, and this Paula Deen set doesn't disappoint. The dual-riveted, rubberized handles stay cool to the touch, providing a comfortable and secure grip while you cook. Plus, the copper-plated rings allow for convenient hanging storage, keeping your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Whether you're simmering sauces on the stovetop or roasting veggies in the oven, this cookware set has you covered. With its oven-safe design up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, you can seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven without missing a beat. And with tempered glass lids featuring copper knobs, you can easily monitor your cooking progress while locking in flavors. In conclusion, the Paula Deen signature porcelain 12-piece cookware set in aqua is a must-have addition to any kitchen. With its stylish design, durable construction, and versatile functionality, it's no wonder why this set is considered the best Paula Deen cookware available. Say goodbye to dull kitchenware and hello to culinary excellence with this exceptional cookware set. That wraps up our review for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!